Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Show Me Mon. Today we are going to show you how to make antipasto pasta. So without any delays, let's go and see how it's done. It's a very easy recipe. Prep time is about 15 minutes, and then by the time you finish it and you eat, it'll be a couple hours. Okay, so if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. So now let's go and see how it's done. 1 big tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, half tablespoon of oregano, half tablespoon of parsley. Here we have a mix of 1 tablespoon of lime juice and 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. 1 large tablespoon of olives. Olives depend on your taste. If you like more olives, you can always add more. Add salt as per taste. Mix everything together. For this recipe, I have provolone cheese, I have salami, I have diced red onion, I have tomatoes, I have red bell pepper and green bell pepper. Now we're going to add this one at a time. First we have our provolone cheese. Go into the mix with the olives and all the spices. Then add the salami. Mix everything properly so the oil can get into the salami. Now we're going to add red onions. Now we're going to add tomatoes. Now we're going to add green bell peppers. Now we're going to add red bell peppers. Again, mix everything properly so all the parsley, oil, and all the spices can mix together. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now we're going to add our pasta. Our mix is almost ready, and now we're going to wrap it up and refrigerate it and keep it in the fridge for about 2 hours. This is what your pasta is going to look like after 2 hours of refrigeration. And at this point, your antipasto pasta is ready to be served. So enjoy, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to share our video. It helps us out a lot. So enjoy your food and don't forget to watch our other videos. Thank you. See you soon.